So we've started to draw our little floor plan, but what we need to do is we actually need to start giving dimensions and controlling how wide objects are. The way that you need to control all your walls and all your objects inside of Revit is with the dimensions. So I'm going to hit Escape, DI for dimension, or you can go into your Annotate tab and find dimension through there. So we've got dimension in here. Just Escape, and DI for dimension, and the way that you need to dimension an object is to click. See how I'm getting that center point through here? What I want is the edge of the wall, so I'm going to do DI again for dimension, or Annotate tab, align dimension, and change the option of what I'm picking to wall faces. See how that wall face is going blue. I'm clicking on that wall face, and I'm going to click on this wall face, and I'm going to drag it out and click on empty space to end it, and then hit Escape. You can see this is saying 20 meters and 311 millimeters. So what I can do if I want to move this, the way to modify the dimensions is I click on the wall, the dimension goes blue. Now I can change that, and I can say maybe make that 6 meters, and then I hit Enter. And that wall will move to the dimension. A lot of people try and click on the dimension and modify the dimension. Don't do that. It's the object that controls the dimensions. So click on the object that you want to move and change that to 8 meters. Think about how this is working as well. If I want this wall to extend, that wall needs to move, therefore that dimension is the change. It's a little bit counterintuitive, so let's do it again on this side. DI for dimension. 1, 2, drag that out. Now you need to click on empty space to end it and pick the wall that you want to move. Again, I want to move this wall, and I am going to move this wall to 15 meters, and that's going to drop that in through there. Let's do that one more time. I'm going to create another dimension. This wall and this wall, I want to change the dimensions for this. DI for dimensions, click on this side, then I'm going to get to the base of this wall over here. See, I'm getting that wall that's blue in through here, and I'm pulling that one out. Now I'm going to click on that wall, and I want to change that wall. I want to make that wall shorter now, and I'm going to say make that wall 7,500, and that's going to drag that in and keep that point stable. If I want to move this wall in, I go click over here and say move that, make that 6,500, so that's going to move in 1 meter.